The world's first flying bike hitting the market. Right now, only available in Japan for about $500,000.
Transportation is evolving at breakneck speed, and the $2,000 Japanese flying scooter by BYD might just be the most exciting breakthrough yet. Imagine soaring above congested streets with ease, affordability, and a futuristic flair. This game-changing innovation is part of a larger revolution in mobility, alongside VTOLs, flying taxis, and electric vehicles, all reshaping how we move and live. But what drives these advancements? And how are governments preparing for skies filled with flying cars and drones? Let's explore the cutting-edge technologies and challenges shaping the future of transportation. What if the future of transportation wasn't just about flying cars, but a scooter so advanced it redefines speed and power? Let's take a look at BYD's groundbreaking electric flying scooter that blends cutting-edge technology with jaw-dropping performance. Could this be the next big leap in personal mobility? BYD Electric Flying Scooter. The Cyberfold electric scooter, as it is more popularly known, is BYD's electric flying scooter. It was a technological marvel engineered by the Korean and Japanese innovators. Its latest vehicle has been designed for speed, power, and modernity, with all sorts of advanced features and different looks from conventional scooters. But at the heart of this breathtaking performance and power is a dual-motor powertrain that chugs out a total of up to 40,000 watts of electrical output. Armed with this kind of formidable propulsion system, this scooter can reach speeds of more than 100 km/h, easily earning its right to be called one of the fastest electric scooters in the market today. Furthermore, the Cyberfold draws its power from a big Samsung battery operating on 72 volts at a 60 amp-hour capacity. The power source is strong, therefore giving this scooter an excellent range of about 150 kilometers on a single charge, making it fit for long-distance travel without any disturbance in the middle concerning battery power. Probably the most striking feature of the Cyberfold is its folding mechanism. In this ingenious design, the scooter folds with ease and can be made very portable, allowing for easy storage. The Cyberfold even looks futuristic when folded up and can definitely turn heads wherever it goes. Few scooters marry practicality with style quite this well. An advanced cooling system equips the Cyberfold to ensure premium performance, even under very aggressive usage. In this highly specialized mechanism, the temperature of the motor is carefully watched against overheating, hence sustaining efficiency throughout the time it will be put into use. Finally, with the powerful capability, solid build, and advanced technology in its fold, this places it as the ultimate choice for those who need to have a means of transport that will also be very thrilling. The Cyberfold, at an unbeatable speed, convenience, and innovation in a single package, is available for $2,000. Boasting top-notch specifications, a unique design, and advanced features, this is among the best options for modern riders seeking a high-end electric scooter experience. Be it in city streets or longer journeys, the Cyberfold promises to deliver a thrilling and effective ride to the demands of even the most persnickety cyclists. From the streets to the skies, innovation knows no bounds. While the Cyberfold scooter redefines urban mobility, the SH-60L helicopter literally takes technology to new heights. What makes this state-of-the-art military marvel a game-changer in the world of aviation? The SH-60 modern helicopter. The SH-60L is a multi-role military helicopter designed to perform almost all sorts of missions. It was developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in Japan with the support of the American firm Sikorsky. The Japanese company has just completed the development of the SH-60L naval combat helicopter. This aircraft epitomizes the use of state-of-the-art technology with reliability in its engineering. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for military rescue operations as well as humanitarian missions. The SH-60L is powered by two General Electric T700 turboshaft engines, very renowned for their power and dependability, providing this helicopter with its maximum speed of 270 km per hour. It has a flight range of approximately 830 km, with 4 hours of consecutive flying without refueling, hence making this helicopter exceptionally good at covering wide areas in minimum time. The SH-60L was designed to operate under the most adverse conditions, such as over water, and in hostile situations, it uses very durable materials to make it last for a long period with safety in mind. The armament consists of anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons, which make it very efficient in defense and patrol missions. This enables the helicopter to protect territorial waters, fight against illegal activities, and neutralize threats from submarines or other adversary ships. The SH-60L is also equipped for rescue and humanitarian missions beyond its military application. It responds very promptly in any emergency, assists vessels in distress, and evacuates people who are in hazardous situations. It has a good flight range and the capacity for carrying essential supplies, so it is of immense help during humanitarian missions in far-flung places. Jointly, with Japanese-American expertise collaboration in engineering, it is a very powerful, reliable helicopter. Due to its versatile high-technology features, the aircraft is important in executing such a demanding assignment. Hence, it would involve saving lives and borders. The Bell Company Air Taxi. The Bell Nexus Air Taxi is the future of revolutionary urban mobility solutions. The aircraft was designed by a leading company known for breaking innovations into aviation and was designed to easily work with highly congested metropolises. The Nexus features the most advanced vertical takeoff and landing technology, dispensing with the big runway requirements to execute its missions over small spaces like rooftops or parking lots. Powered by an advanced hybrid electric propulsion system that couples state-of-the-art electric motors with traditional fuel technology, the Nexus achieves superior performance with a minimum impact on the environment. The sophisticated powertrain of this marvel ensures efficient running while keeping the emission level as low as possible, hence making it very environmentally friendly for intra-city travel. It boasts a maximum range of 240 kilometers and hence covers most journeys within the city in less than an hour, whisking away commuters in a flash from the congestion of roads and thereby saving precious time in the process. The Nexus is capacitive, impressively carrying 4 passengers and an experienced pilot, a great way for man to handle short commutes or carpooling. The aircraft is manufactured from lightweight, ultra-durable materials that can support heavy use while keeping the passengers safe. The interior was designed for comfort and functionality to make the ride as agreeable as possible despite the space-age look of the craft. In addition, Bell has put in a significant amount of time to put Nexus together through collaborative agreements with regulatory authorities, city planners, and private firms to develop its network of landing sites and charging stations. The long-term objective is that an air taxi could be yet another mode of transportation system, whether in a town, city, or locality, and become another way to solve congestion issues among citizens around these cities. For the United States, where urban congestion continues to be a major headache, the Nexus will be a workable solution. The fact that it dodges streets with heavy traffic flow and takes shortcuts makes this aircraft stand in good stead as a strong contender for the future of transportation. Innovative technology and real-world usability, the Bell Nexus signals an important milestone towards smarter, more efficient city travel. Moreover, advanced features on the Nexus go way beyond functionality. The sophisticated design of this machine is stuffed with state-of-the-art safety features, such as multiple redundancies in crucial systems and sophisticated collision avoidance technology. Besides, its hybrid powertrain enables the plane to work with high efficiency in a wide range of conditions. As populations keep on mounting and cities grow with greater congestion, it is here that the likes of the Bell Nexus Air Taxi come into their own. This plane will surely be a dream come true for those who want to escape the frustratingly slow pace of city traffic. Fast, efficient, and ecologically friendly, the Bell Nexus Air Taxi stands as testimony to the ingenuity of humans in finding answers to real-life problems. We can only look towards the future as modes of transportation keep evolving, where the likes of Nexus are going to be massive contributors to our way of commuting within our cities, probably changing urban landscapes and therefore helping to better the living standards of millions worldwide. Most of all, such planes raise a host of questions about how to plan the cities of the future in terms of infrastructural development and regulation. In embracing this new era of urban air mobility, it will be important to go out of our way to address these challenges in advance, so that our cities can safely and efficiently accommodate such novelties. While developments will continue over the next few years to take on new technological abilities in the area of air taxis, The manufacturer will aim to continually push the boundaries of range, speed, and passenger capacity. First, Bell's Nexus opens doors toward more efficiency, sustainability, and connected urban transport. What if public transportation didn't just move you, but completely flipped your perspective? Japan's suspended monorail trains are doing just that, combining innovation and functionality with a touch of the extraordinary. How do these upside-down marvels transform urban commuting while doubling as a unique tourist attraction? Suspended monorail trains. Public transportation of this type exists in Japan, such as suspended monorails and upside-down trains. Such an innovative design goes under the rail system and is essentially upside-down transportation. Its popularity is rather high with people, since it works out not only for public transport, but also for a tourist attraction route. Unlike the other suspended monorails, the main distinguishing feature of these is that carriages will be hung beneath the rail instead of mounted atop. That eccentric design offers a fantastic sight and opens up gigantic possibilities for passenger transportation in high-density urban areas. The contemporary versions run at 60 to 80 kilometers per hour, and for high-speed routes and more advanced models, they go up to 100 kilometers per hour. According to their lengthened model, their passenger carrying capacity is between 100 and 300 persons. Owing to special vibration-absorbing technologies, the suspended type of monorail is considered very safe, even for areas of high seismic activity. The compact construction of the rail allows the routes to be constructed without harming the infrastructure, even in the most populated cities. Large windows offer great views of the surrounding nature or urban landscape, with no harmful emissions. Such modes of transportation have gained more and more popularity over the years. Besides their appeal of peculiar design and safety, suspended monorails have a lot of practical advantages over traditional transportation. They are less space-consuming than conventional trains, hence suitable for cities that have limited space for real estate. Moreover, being at an elevated position from the ground reduces the incidence of inconveniences like delays due to accidents at track levels. The suspension of the monorail system also enables them to have a smooth ride, which minimizes the disturbance on the passengers' bodies compared to regular trains. Finally, the suspended monorail can be regarded as one of the new ideas in transport that has been developed in urban areas by considering state-of-the-art technology with environmental sustainability and comfort for passengers. Flying taxis. More and more automotive companies are researching flying taxis for urban transportation in depth. That means a revolution might take place in ground transport. The promise these new kinds of vehicles hold for urban travel is to avoid choked roads and get the passenger directly to their destination with no delay. On the other hand, flying taxis use electric motors and hence produce zero emissions, which is clean for cities trying to reduce pollution. Another very interesting prototype is the concept Hyundai has put together with Uber and the Japanese National Institute. This flying taxi represents an ingenious design combined with practical features, making it a very reliable alternative to taking to the roads. It fitted rotatable propeller motors that allow it to take off vertically off the ground and land while in flight. The same motors provide smooth horizontal propulsion, which enables seamless transitions between modes. It is so convenient for group travel in busy cities, carrying 5 people. It has a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour and is able to cover 100 kilometers on one trip, making it ideal for short commutes within the city or to and from nearby cities. The flying taxi is constructed with lightweight yet tough materials, a perfect balance of strength and efficiency. Its electric propulsion system minimizes noise. Hence, it is appropriate for densely populated areas without causing any disruption. It, therefore, made it an investment that attracted many cities that wanted to renew their transport infrastructures without harming the environment. Targeted at Uber via a joint investment by Hyundai and Japanese engineers, the flying car could mark a new way of navigating clogged cities, faster, cleaner, and more efficient. It is one path toward the future wherein air travel will not be restricted to the biggest airports. With the advancement in technology, flying taxis are bound to become more and more common in cityscopes. They are very promising solutions toward less congestion on the roads and quick transportation services being offered to the citizens. They will be even more appealing with the addition of autonomous navigation mechanisms along with other advanced safety features. Besides, flying taxis means a significant step forward towards further sustainable urban movement. Powered by electric propulsion, all these vehicles contribute significantly to decreasing carbon emissions and air pollution levels in the cities, which corresponds well to the global strategy against climate change and the dissemination of ecological modes of transportation. Yet, flying taxis have several hurdles before they will be a sight everywhere. For such vehicles, there needs to be a regulatory framework for usage in city airspace. Also, there must be a design and appropriate placement of landing pads in cities to control the levels of noise and impacts on visual sensitivities. With the challenges of flying, taxis possess immense potential for changing the meaning of urban transport. Design and feature innovations should be witnessed more and more with the continued improvement in technology. As these flying taxis stole the show regarding the future shape of urban mobility, takeoffs are set to look unimaginable on cityscapes from tomorrow. As flying taxis pave the way for urban air mobility, what if a single vehicle could seamlessly combine speed, sustainability, and silence? Enter the Concept Y, a groundbreaking electric aircraft from Joby Aviation and Toyota. Is this the green transport solution that will redefine cityscapes? Concept I flying vehicle. Joby Aviation, together with Toyota, has unveiled a new electric aircraft called the N5423JX, or, as they refer to it, the Concept I, a vehicle that, thanks to advanced features and eco-friendly propulsion, is about to change the nature of urban transport. With a top speed of 320 km an hour and a flight range of 240 km, the Concept I will not find it tough to cover short distances inside the urban zones or even across neighboring cities. Being an all-electric powertrain, it emits 0 grams of carbon and is, in fact, green transport in the true sense. Yet another strong plus is the silent engine that will enable it to negotiate the heavily jammed urban areas without causing disturbance. At the heart of the Concept I is a sophisticated AI system, called UI for short. It learns and grows with the behavior of the driver and takes the whole experience of driving personally and intuitively. Huge glass windows and doors are of a style called guillotine, which gives the concept a truly otherworldly quality without sacrificing all practicality in the name of style. The minimalist interior can comfortably accommodate 4 passengers, with all essential information displayed on a large screen. This friendly interface keeps everything simple and intuitive. UI also extends the capabilities of communication by providing an interaction of the vehicle with people outside through light signals and text messages. This feature can be very helpful in cities where clear communication may mean much in terms of safety and comfort. Besides, the AI system of Concept I learns from experience to adapt to various driving conditions and improve over time. This self-improvement capability will keep the vehicle abreast of the times in pursuit of excellence in safety and efficiency. With its impressive technical specifications, it adds to the fact that Concept I is one more leap towards sustainable urban transportation. With cities around the world trying to battle challenges thrown by climate change and air pollution, Concept I brings in the hope of better transportation. Advanced technology is used in combination with clean energy. Therefore, it plays the leading role that Joby Aviation and Toyota play in terms of greening the future of aviation. Concept I pushes the boundaries of modern technology's reach currently to take an electric flight to an entirely new dimension. The revolutionary aircraft that are going to take to the skies are beacons of inspiration to push boundaries further to create progress in urban mobility and transportation sustainability. Kawasaki's K-Racer X1. Kawasaki is introducing the unmanned vertical takeoff and landing aircraft of the future, the K-Rare X1, for cargo transport. It was specially designed to deliver goods in conditions where logistics would be difficult using conventional means. The turbocharged engine, taken from the Ninja H2R motorcycle, produces 310 horsepower to give the K-Rare X1 immense performance, enabling the aircraft to carry as much as 100 kilograms of cargo. The machine flies perfectly in mountainous terrain, disaster areas, or any zone unreachable by road, and covers up to 100 kilometers in the distance at about 140 kilometers per hour, hence an ideal solution for quick transportation of cargo efficiently. It comes with a fully automated robotic assistant that automates loading and unloading, making it much more operationally effective. The more developed variant introduced by Kawasaki in 2024 is the K-Rare X2, which boasts a larger rotor diameter and a capability to carry weights of up to 200 kilograms, twice the load, and find usage in carrying much-needed supplies or hauling merchandise into areas that cannot be reached through conventional means. How goods can be shifted in challenging terrain is now being redefined by the K-Rare X series. These advanced engines can one day beat up electric vehicles to offer the same convenience as conventional cars, with the eco-friendliness that the world demands. Others are convinced that EVs are the only way forward. Where do you fall? The K-Rare X series represents a quantum leap in unmanned aerial cargo transportation technology. By integrating the newest robotics, modern propulsion systems, and innovative design, Kawasaki hopes to solve many of the long-standing logistics and supply chain problems. It'll be interesting to see this technology develop and possibly change the methodology of how goods are moved globally. As time goes on and the industry begins to evolve, the K-Rare X series is not all about functionality. It is also a commitment by Kawasaki to the environment and sustainability. This represents great foresight into eco-friendly transportation solutions that will migrate electric vehicle technology into aircraft engines. Companies such as Kawasaki are at the leading edge in developing technologies that can help counteract the growing concerns with climate change and air pollution without sacrificing the demands of modern commerce. The K-Rare X series is a bold leap into the future of cargo transport. In fact, Kawasaki leads the revolution in how goods will be moved around in difficult environments, impressive in capability, innovative in features, and with possibilities of further development. It will be interesting to see with time how this technology will continue its development and impact other areas than transport, such as agriculture and disaster-related fields. Imagine a car that doesn't just navigate traffic, it rises above it, literally. The XPeng X2 is here to turn that dream into reality, blending the practicality of a car with the wonder of flight. Could this be the flying car that finally takes off? XPeng X2. Xun X2 is a slick advanced vehicle that combines the convenience of a car with the freedom of flying. Just think about a car that drives like all the rest, but can take off vertically, glide through the air, and avoid all the congestion down there. That's what XPeng X2 is offering. But this is no prototype or concept. This is a flying car currently making its noise across the world while having huge enhancements related to both motor and aero engineering made by XPeng, one of the subordinate companies of XPeng Motors, the XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 measures 5,172 mm in length, 5,124 mm in width, and 1,362 mm in height, with a curb weight of 680 kilograms and a maximum payload of 160 kilograms. Because of this compact design, coupled with advanced capability, it has been described more as a drone-type vehicle rather than a car. The XPeng X2 is not just an exciting innovation, but a peek into the future of personal transportation. At its very core, the XPeng X2 is designed to be multifunctional. When on the ground, this flying car can function just like a sleek, high-tech car that is capable of negotiating city streets and highways, just like any conventional car. The wheels of the car are specially designed to maintain a smooth grip on various ground conditions for smooth travel. This is where it becomes truly exciting, for those moments when one would literally want to take to the air. Well, here comes the flying machine, the XPeng X2, that with a push of a button or via its innovative control system, out come its car's rotors or propellers, lifting it vertically off the ground. That means you require no runway or open space to start flying. The car simply hovers, soars, and glides above the jammed traffic, saving you a lot of time and making your journey efficient. Its dual ability is what differentiates the XPeng X2 from all other vehicles, since it is not a car that has some ability to fly. Rather, it's a fully functional vehicle that easily switches between driving and flying modes. The flexibility in every area is what would make flying cars practical, not only for mundane use, but also for a great deal of other purposes. But that is not all. As a matter of fact, we are just getting started. The coolest thing about the XPeng X2 probably has to do with the VTOL. While a normal aircraft would need long runway lengths to take off or touch down, the Xpeng X2 is able to lift off and touch down vertically. It manages this with its unique rotor design and advanced engineering in it. When you are ready to take to the skies, the Xpeng X2 extends rotors from its body. These rotors generate lift and allow the car to rise straight up into the air. The vertical takeoff means one can leave from practically anywhere, be it a crowded urban street or a small parking lot. The model is designed for short trips within a city area, and the company said that it does not emit any carbon dioxide during flights. Equally importantly, the same technology enables it to land as easily, making it incredibly versatile and convenient. The VTOL feature eliminates all requirements for large open strips or runways where it has to land, hence making flying in cities possible. Added flexibility and convenience that traditional aircraft cannot match. This revolutionary technology enabled the ability to navigate through bustling cityscapes, avoiding congestion by taking to the air. Another conspicuous feature of the Xpeng X2 is flying independently. The high-intelligence system made flying as manageable as driving it on the road. It does not require a lot of piloting skill to fly it. The complications of flying have been handled by the autonomous car system. This is because the Xpeng X2 is already fitted with advanced sensors, GPS systems, and AI that team up to conduct the flight. It continuously monitors the environment to calculate the best flight paths and corrects the real-time movement of the car. It can avoid obstacles, keep away from other flying vehicles, and keep flights smooth. This is stress-free for the driver, since you are just enjoying the view while the car is doing the flying. More interestingly, the Xpeng X2 is powered by an electric propulsion system, which happens to be one of the major reasons for its performance and environmental benefits. The system entails electric motors driving both wheels and rotors. The car's highly efficient electric motor provides the quiet and smooth operation of the Xpeng X2, both in flying and on the road. These motors draw their power from the advanced batteries to provide a decent range while driving or flying. Yes, it is really spacious. 2 people fit quite comfortably inside. And here is your joystick. The directional control simply has a very simple joystick with an up-down button to change altitude. Basically, if you can fly a drone with 2 thumbs, you can fly this using electric power. Since it is electrical, thereby reducing the need for fossil fuels, the Xpeng X2 is an eco-friendly transport. The Xpeng X2 produces 0 emissions during its operation. You would agree that this is a big plus over traditional gas-powered vehicles in aircraft, contributing to air pollution. The electric propulsion system at the heart of the Xpeng X2 supports a world of decreased carbon footprints, furthering greener transportation. Equally, with the Xpeng X2, you can be assured of a smooth, seamless journey, having at its core an advanced, high-tech, user-oriented interior designed for pleasure in each and every trip. Equipped with state-of-the-art displays, it shows the status of the vehicle in real time, including speed, altitude, and navigation. These displays will always keep you informed and in control, whether you are driving or flying. The interior is designed for comfort, with plush seating and an intuitive control system. The cockpit is designed to be functional and stylish. The Xpeng X2 is a pleasure to drive and fly. What makes this super interesting is that the Xpeng X2 was made using advanced materials to enhance its performance and durability. The structure consists of lightweight, high-strength material used for the body that contributes to the reduction of weight without the loss of strength. This is very important for flying efficiently and driving smoothly. Materials used in making ensure that the Xpeng X2 is durable, reliable, and able to resist stresses flying and driving cause. By now, I'm sure you must be dreaming of seeing yourself in this high-tech, revolutionary car. And you can't agree less that the Xpeng X2 represents a great stride toward the future of transportation. Combining driving and flying with advanced technology and environmental benefits makes it one of the leading examples of what's possible in personal mobility. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video from beginning to end. We hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment on your thoughts on these futuristic modes of transport. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!